In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal to Ko-Fi in seconds. If you want to start receiving donations, product payments, memberships, or commission earnings through Ko-Fi, connecting your PayPal account is one of the most important steps you need to complete. The good news is that the process is quick, simple, and beginner-friendly, even if this is your first time using the platform. To begin, open your browser and sign in to your Ko-Fi account. Once you arrive at your dashboard, look for the Settings section where you manage your account details, payment methods, and creator preferences. This area gives you full control over how supporters can send payments to your page. Inside the Settings menu, find the Payment Options section. Ko-Fi allows creators to connect payment services like PayPal and Stripe so they can receive money directly from supporters and customers. To continue, click the option to connect your PayPal account. A new PayPal login window may appear on your screen. Sign in using your PayPal account details and follow the authorization prompts carefully. PayPal will ask for permission to link your account with Ko-Fi so payments can be processed securely. After approving the connection, you'll automatically return to your Ko-Fi dashboard. Once your PayPal account is connected successfully, you should see a confirmation message or status update inside your payment settings. This means your Ko-Fi page is now capable of receiving donations, tips, memberships, and product purchases directly through PayPal. Before you start sharing your page publicly, it's a good idea to double-check your payment setup. Make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and active to avoid payment delays or limitations later on. Having a verified account can also improve trust and create a smoother experience for your supporters. You should also review your Ko-Fi profile to make sure everything looks professional. Add a profile picture, banner image, and a short bio explaining what you create or offer. A polished page can make visitors feel more confident about supporting your work. If you plan to sell digital products or accept commissions, take a moment to preview your shop and confirm that your payment connection is working correctly. This small step can help prevent issues before customers begin making purchases. Another useful tip is to connect additional payment options if available in your region. Giving supporters multiple ways to pay can sometimes increase completed purchases and donations. Once everything is ready, copy your Ko-Fi page link and start sharing it across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, or anywhere your audience follows you online. And that's it. That's how you link your PayPal account to Ko-Fi quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.